Well-known territory. Today I'm doing a video reaction on Hemi Life44, and he gonna be racing a Dodge. So hopefully y'all can enjoy it as I'm enjoying it, cause this is my first time watching him racing racing a car. So hopefully y'all can enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into
Nigga, I'm out of there, boy. We ain't gonna say how fast I'm going, but both of them niggas back there, man.
his intro. This is just his intro. This is not another music reaction. This is a car reaction. All right, let's get back into it.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir. 44 game, man. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, browse. We're going up the rest of 2019, all of 2020, man. I'm whispering right now. I don't want to wake my family up back there. They back there asleep. Hey, make sure y'all hit the thumbs up on this video right now. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes, man. Let's just get our videos to 1,000 likes. But in this video, bro, I did an intro, but I had to redo an intro because it was dark or whatever. So I just did another intro for y'all so y'all can see me, just in case you're new to the channel. You don't know who you looking at in that camera. What y'all finna see, you're not gonna know who you looking at. But it just so happened this took place at the time that it did, so that's why it was a little dark like that. But man, look, this dude, the excitement I shouldn't even been racing this car, but the excitement in this video came from him talking out. Bro, if y'all only knew how much I had to hear about this every time I went to work. Man, race this dude, man, you ain't been to work. Man, this dude been talking this, he been saying that, he been coming. I kid you not, I heard this from about 20 people. People sent me videos, which I'm gonna put that clip in here. People sent me videos, man, of him showing money, counting out money, say he wanna race me and all this and that. This nigga right here, this nigga right here pulled out a stack. Hold up, come here, show him the stack. Show him the stack. Nah, you just said you putting the stack up.
In the video.
You just said you
got the video too. You see him in the video.
You right.
Right here, baby. The stack. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But he
My man say he ready to play. So we finally get off work at the same time. He wanted to go to the track, race for $1,000. I'm like, bro, I'm not going to no track. I'm not stopping what I got going on in my busy day to go to no track to race you, bro. But today was the first day we got off at the same time. So I seen him getting off. I'm like, you finna go? He was like, yeah. So I'm like, well, bet, let's go. So his partner was the one that he always racing. He was right there with him. So he couldn't turn it down. He was like, let's go. So y'all gonna see what happened. And I wasn't holding the camera, but you know, I had to put.
Y'all ready to see what happened? Let me see if I can fast forward to the right part.
You know, IERT for lunch, yeah?
Well, we finna find out.
Oh my God.
We finna find out.
No shit.
We sure finna find
Let's
out,
get
bro.
back into it.
He putting his GoPros out. He done done some things. He done, huh?
Can you racetrack too, though?
Huh?
Can you racetrack though?
Can you get a racetrack?
Yeah.
Nah, I don't know about no track, bro. I mean, if you catch me at the track, bro, then cool. We can get on there. It's just, I ain't gonna take the time out just to go up to no
Do
track.
y'all see the front of that car?
Look at
Do y'all see the front of that car? Let me just rewind it back.
you get a racetrack.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't know about no track, bro. I mean, if you catch me at the track.
You know, IERT for lunch, yeah?
Well, we finna find out.
Oh my God.
We finna find
Comment section where y'all buy this
Bro,
type of car.
being cool, we can get
Just
on there.
let me
It's just
know down below.
I ain't gonna take the
All right,
time
let's
out
get
just to
back
go
into
up to no track. Yeah, I will. Yeah, he got the red inside. That thing hard though. Top of the line. He ain't gonna tell you. He ain't gonna tell you what he done to it. You know what I'm saying? He try to keep that a secret. But we finna see. He got his GoPros up. Look, he got YouTube. I don't even know his channel, man. What's your channel?
It's still in progress.
Oh, okay.
Still in progress.
This thing nice though. I ain't gonna even cap. This thing hard. I actually like this car.
Which side you gonna be on? Left side, right side?
Huh? It don't matter, bro. It don't even matter.
God damn.
Do y'all hear how it sounds? Do y'all hear how the engine sounds? Let's just get back into it. I don't
Yeah,
have
it's
no
RT
words.
thing. So you beat him in the RT right here.
We heard you may want to quit vaping,
But we can't help you. We can barely hold these protest signs.
but we can tell you about This Is Quitting, an easy text to quit service. It's the least.
And most we can do.
So
Twice.
oh, he beat him twice. It was light work. It was light work.
Yo, man, I'm not ready right now, but I'm still going with you though.
Huh?
I'm not ready, but I'm still going with
Why you not ready? Your car working, ain't it? I don't want no excuses now.
you. I got full tank.
Huh?
I got full tank.
I got a speaker box. I got 22s. I got. Come on,
I'm
brother.
gonna take empty too though.
Huh?
I'm gonna take empty though.
Nah, I'm never on empty.
Huh?
I'm never on E, bro. I keep gas in my car. I got a lot of weight. And then on top of that, my car probably 800 pounds heavier than yours. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're gonna see. Like I say, he done some things to the car, so we're gonna see. If I get beat by a V6, it's gonna be bad.
This is when the race starts, so hopefully
I
y'all
can't do it.
enjoy
I know
this
he ain't
race.
trying to race right here.
Y'all can enjoy this
He tryna go?
because I know I'm about to enjoy it. Come on.
Right here? You trying to race this little short distance?
What's up?
This nigga here,
That's what he
man.
did.
Huh?
That's what he did.
That's why he lost.
He was born the second time though.
Bro, that's what. Hey, you blow the horn, bro.
What you wanna do? Ready?
Huh? We're gonna, hold on. I'm tripping.
Y'all come on now. They should have had a flag person in the middle of it or
Why
something.
you going for? Chill, you're not racing.
Nah, I told him to blow the horn so neither one of us blow. Yeah, him.
Oh, I'm gonna have you blow the horn 3 times.
Nah, I don't need nothing slowing me down, brother. He can blow it.
No, you on that side. Or you stay right next to me though.
Hey, I ain't moving. We're gonna stay straight.
Don't hit my car.
Boy, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. I ain't getting no traction. I know y'all heard me sliding the whole time, bro. Blew the doors off that boy. I ain't getting no traction either. I know y'all heard me sliding the whole time, bro.
That was the end of that video. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Don't forget to comment down below and tell a friend about my channel. We're gonna grow for 2020.